Hi everyone. So we're starting with a new chapter on page number 41, which is Word 2013. So in our previous classes, we learned that MS Word is a word processing software, which means that it is a software that helps us type text on a computer. And two of the most popular word processing softwares are MS Word and Google Docs. Now let us learn how to open MS Word on our computer. Yeah. Alright, step number one is you click the start key on the keyboard or you select the start icon on the desktop. And after that, in the search bar, you type the word Word and you'll see that MS Word icon appears on the screen and then you select it. Now this is what MS Word window looks like. It has two main parts. The top part is called the ribbon area and the bottom part where you can type, it's called a document window. As you can see on page number 43, figure 4.3, you'll see that MS Word window has many parts. Yeah. So we have File tab, Quick Access Toolbar, Title bar, Dialog box launcher, Help, Minimize, Maximize, Close, Ribbon, Horizontal ruler, Vertical ruler, Status bar, Horizontal scroll bar, Document window, and Vertical scroll bar. So it might look a lot, but once you get to know what it is, all these parts of the window, MS Word window, are actually very easy to understand. So today we learned about File tab. Now let's read what it says. The File tab is located at the upper left corner of the Word 2013 window. Alright, so this is the MS Word window, and if you look next to Home, I have a File tab, right? So if you select this tab right here, it gives me a list of different options to open a new window, or you open an existing file, or it gives me information about this file. And we also have different tools to save your work, or you can even print it. Yeah, so these are the different options that you get when you select the File tab. So if you're using an older version of MS Paint, you have to click on this icon right here, and it gives you the list of different options that you get under File tab. Quick Access Toolbar. You can reach common commands on the Quick Access Toolbar located at the top left of the Word 2013 window, and it includes the Save, Undo, and Repeat commands. So this right here is the Quick Access Toolbar, and it contains Save, you have Undo, and you have Repeat commands. Alright, so let's see what it does. So if I'm going to type something on the document window, and if I select, let's say, Repeat, yeah, so it's going to duplicate exactly what I've typed. So do you see it, when you select this command right here, it is going to duplicate whatever I've actually typed on the document window. Yeah, and then this undo command, you know what it does, right? Yeah, so whatever action you've taken, it reverses that action. Yeah, so let's do it one more time. You can select this or press Ctrl Z, which is the keyboard shortcut for undo. Ctrl Z, and it reverses the action that you've taken last. And the last one, I'm going to type something, and this one, it says save, which I don't need to explain further. It saves your work. Yeah, there you go. Or you can press Ctrl S, the keyboard shortcut. Alright, so moving on, we're going to learn about the title bar. Title is a name that you give to something. Alright, so the title bar is placed at the top of the Word 2013 window, and it displays, which means to show, the document name followed by the program name. Alright, so this is something that I've typed on MS Word, and I haven't saved my work yet, which means I haven't given it a name. So it does not have a title yet. So if you look at the top, this is the title bar, which means it tells you the name of the work or the document that you're working on. So right now, since we haven't given it any name, so it's going to be either document 1, document 2, document 3 or document 4. So this is it does not have a name right now. So and it's followed by the program or the software that you're using. So if this was Paint, we would have gotten document 1 Paint. But since we are working on Word, it says document 2 Word. So the name of your work followed by the software that you're using. This is called the title bar. So now I'm going to quickly save this work, Control S, and I'm going to save it on the desktop, and I'm going to name it letters of the alphabet, yeah, and press enter. And then if you look here, the title of this document that I'm working on changes from document 2 to letters of the alphabet, yeah. So whatever name you give or whatever title you give to your work or the document, once you save it and give it a name, it changes and you can see it appear on the top of the screen, which is the title bar right here. So moving on, to the right of the title bar, you can see 3 buttons: minimize, restore down or maximize, and close. The minimize button is used to reduce a window to a small icon on the taskbar. The restore down button is used to make the window smaller than full size. The same button is used to bring it back to full size, and the close button is used to close the window. On the right side of the title bar, you will see 3 buttons. We have minimize, we have restore down or maximize, and we have the close button. When you press the minimize button, it brings the window down to the icon on the taskbar, okay? And if you want to open it, you click the icon again and then it brings it back on the screen. So if your window is in full size, then you will get the restore down option, and what it does is it makes the window smaller so that you can see the rest of the desktop, yeah? And the same button is used to make the window larger and fit the entire desktop screen. And the close button closes the window entirely, and if you haven't saved your work, it's going to ask you to save your work and give it a name. And if you've already saved it, like this one right here, then it automatically closes the window. Alright, so we did quite learn a lot about the different tools on MS Word today. Everyone, you all did a good job. And until next time, I'll see you all. Goodbye.